Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This video is going to be about changing your ruler positioning. So if we're on our page right here, I've got my ruler set on 0, 0. And that's done by bringing this down and having it snap to it. So that put it on 0, 0. But this is a thing I drew that I want to make a pattern out of, and I've got to take it and put these holes on top of each other perfectly. And then I can duplicate it over. But if I didn't hit it the first time, it's kind of takes forever. So what I kind of discovered today, if we take our object or our ruler origin and move it to the center of our graphic, then if you look, this thing is at 0, 0, and you could actually put it at the top of the page and done the same thing. But then I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm going to take my time just moving stuff around till I get this thing, and I can zoom in and get this thing perfectly aligned with my other one. And that's align. Well, look at this. I'm still at 0 on the Y, but the X is 5.54. So if I change my duplicate distance to 5.574, and then I could just keep making as many as I want because it's duplicating at the distance I needed. And then we could Control D and actually go down because the thing is, I'm thinking perfectly square. And then you could make as many as you want. And some people might go, well, I don't want to mess up my rulers. Well, you're not messing up your rulers. All you have to do is go back to this little icon here and put it back. And if you have Snap to on, Snap to page, let's take it off and do this. See, it doesn't really snap to it to get the preciseness. So you always want to have Snap to page on, and then you could grab it and it'll actually snap almost like a magnet. So now I'm back to 0, 0. Well, that's a pretty cool way to move some things that are symmetrical in a way, at least in one direction. Because I get frustrated, trying to take the time and get Control D to work. And of course, we can always change the outlook of that. And I mean, that's a pretty cool pattern and done very easily. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.